How did the overnight drone attacks impact Ukraine's military position today? These swift strikes could reshape the battlefield more than you expect. Let's uncover the real effects behind the headlines. The overnight drone strikes focused on disrupting Ukraine's supply chains and communication hubs. By hitting these vital points, the attacks created immediate logistical challenges. Ukrainian forces faced delays in receiving ammunition and reinforcements, which slowed their operational tempo. This disruption forced commanders to adapt quickly, diverting resources to repair and secure affected areas. Such targeted strikes show how drones can paralyze military operations without large-scale destruction. Beyond physical damage, the drone attacks had a significant psychological effect. The element of surprise during nighttime hours heightened anxiety among soldiers, lowering morale temporarily. This constant threat of unseen drones forces troops to remain on high alert, which can lead to fatigue and stress. Commanders have reported that such psychological pressure, even without massive casualties, influences combat effectiveness and decision-making in tense frontline conditions. In response to these attacks, Ukraine quickly adjusted its strategies. Enhanced air defense systems were deployed to detect and neutralize drones before they could strike. Patrol routes and timing were changed to reduce vulnerability during night hours. These adaptations demonstrate Ukraine's resilience and ability to learn rapidly from new threats, which helps maintain their overall military position despite ongoing challenges. The overnight drone attacks caused more than just physical damage. They disrupted logistics, rattled troops, and forced rapid strategic changes. This shows how modern warfare increasingly depends on quick adaptation to new threats. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious with Daily Q&A.